Okay, first up we have a 1932 Ford Highboy Roadster. It has the 383 cubic inch stroker V8 engine, a 2-speed automatic, and it has 5,923 actual miles on it. And the engine has 500 horsepower. And it has the Power Glide transmission. And this one is going for $30,000 even. Okay, next up we have a 1934 Ford 43 window coupe. It has a 350 cubic inch V8 engine and a 3-speed automatic transmission. And it has 3,555 actual miles. And this is a Street Beast kit. And this one's going for $38,000 even. Okay, here we have a 1941 Plymouth P11 Deluxe sedan. It's got the 350 V8 engine, 3-speed automatic transmission, which is a TH350 automatic, and it's got the modern interior. And this one's going for $16,500. Very nice interior. Okay, next up is a 1948 Ford Super Deluxe Coupe. It's got the 390 V8 engine underneath the hood. And it's got the 4-speed manual transmission and 4-wheel disc brakes. And this one's going for $31,500. And here's the information on this car. Okay, here we have a 1934 Ford Model 40 pickup. It's got the 382 cubic inch V8 engine, 3-speed manual transmission. Okay, and there's the information on the truck. It's going for $51,750. Okay, here we have a 1940 Ford 85 Series Tudor sedan. It's got the 350 cubic inch V8, 3-speed automatic transmission. It's got 31,584 non-actual miles on it. And this one's going for $28,000. Very nice interior. It's got the split rear window. Okay, and here's the information on this. Okay, here we have a 1923 Ford Model T Roadster. It's got the 239 cubic inch flathead V8, 3-speed manual transmission. Okay, here's the information on it, and it's going for $39,900. Okay, here's a 1931 Ford Model A Victoria. It's got the 3.8 liter V6 engine, 4-speed automatic transmission. It's got the 8-inch Ford axle, front disc brakes, and this one's going for $32,500. Okay, and here's the information on it. Next up, we have a 1925 Ford Model T Coupe. It's got the 302 cubic inch V8 engine and a 3-speed automatic transmission. Front disc brakes and a 8-inch Ford axle. And this one's going for $24,900. Okay, next up we have a 1936 Dodge pickup. It's got the 270 cubic inch red Ram Hemi V8, the 3-speed automatic transmission. And this one's going for $43,900. Got a nice flat black paint. Okay, next up is a 1934 Ford Model 40 3-window coupe. There's no more information on this car, so you have to look online at classicautomall.com for more information, including the price. Okay, here we have a 1923 Ford T-Bucket. It's got the 327 cubic inch V8 and a 3-speed automatic transmission. And this one's going for an even $25,000. Okay, and here's the information on it. Okay, here we have a 1926 Ford Model T Roadster. It's got the 307 V8 engine and a 2-speed automatic transmission. Front disc brakes and a Power Glide transmission. This one's going for $23,000 even. It's got the flat black paint. Here we have a 1933 Ford Model 40 sedan delivery. It's got the 502 V8 engine and a 3-speed automatic transmission. And this one's going for $46,500. Okay, here's a 1931 Chevy AE Independence 5-window coupe. It's got the 545 cubic inch LS7 V8 engine and a 3-speed automatic transmission. And this one's going for $58,900.